Hello? Is this the place for old music machines?
Hello. Yes, I fix everything that plays vinyl.
I am Claire. I have a very old record player here.
Nice to meet you. I am Alex. Put it on the table.
It belonged to my grandfather. He loved jazz music very much.
This is a beautiful model from the 60s. It is a classic.
It does not spin anymore. The motor is very silent.
Let me see. Maybe the belt is broken or old.
I also have his favorite record in this box.
It is quite dusty. We must be very careful with it.
Can you make it sing again? It is very important to me.
I will try my best. These machines have a soul.
I tried to fix it at home, but I was afraid to break it.
That was a good decision. The parts are very delicate.
Do you have many customers today? The shop looks busy.
No, you're the only one right now. I like the piece.
It smells like old paper and oil here. It is nice.
That is the smell of history, Claire. I love my job.
How long will the repair take? I can wait if you want.
I need to check the power cable first. It looks very dry.
I have some free time this afternoon. I can stay.
Great, you can help me hold the light.
I am ready. I want to see how it works inside.
First, we remove these 4 silver screws.
They are very small. I will put them in this cup.
Perfect. Now look at the big wheel inside.
Oh, there is a lot of dust there. It is very dark.
We need to clean the motor. It is stuck.
Is it a difficult problem to solve?
No, it just needs some love and some oil.
Hold the lamp closer, please. I need to see the belt.
Is this the black rubber part? It looks very loose.
Yes, it is too old. It has no more tension.
Do you have a new one, or is it too old to find?
I have a drawer full of belts. Let me check the size.
Everything here is so mechanical. No computers at all.
That is the beauty of it. You can see the movement.
In my job, everything is digital and invisible.
What do you do for a living, Claire?
I am a web designer. I work with pixels all day.
Then this must feel very different for you.
Yes, it is like magic. Real wheels and real metal.
This new rubber is much stronger.
Now the wheel is moving when you touch it.
Yes, the heart is beating again, but we are not finished.
What is the next step, Alex?
We need to check the arm and the needle.
The needle looks very sharp and shiny.
Actually, it is very worn. It will damage your records.
Can we replace it today? I want to hear the music.
I have a high-quality needle here. It is made of diamond.
Diamond? That sounds very expensive for a small part.
It is a tiny industrial diamond. It is the best for sound.
My grandfather always said the sound was like warm honey.
He was right. Vinyl has a very warm and deep tone.
I remember the crackling sound. It was so cozy.
That crackling comes from dust. We will clean it now.
I want to learn how to do that properly.
I will show you. You need a special carbon brush.
I see it on your table. It looks very soft.
This record is a masterpiece. Kind of Blue by Miles Davis.
It was his favorite. He played it every Sunday morning.
You must hold it by the edges. Never touch the surface.
My fingers have oil on them, right?
Exactly. Oil and dust are the enemies of music.
I am brushing it slowly now. Is this correct?
Yes, follow the circles. Do not press too hard.
I can see the lines better now. It is getting shiny.
Now we use the special liquid. It removes the deep dirt.
It smells like alcohol. Is it safe for the plastic?
It is a special mix for vinyl. It dries very fast.
It looks like new now.
Good job, Claire. You are a natural technician.
Thank you. I like the process. It is very relaxing.
Now, let's put the player back together.
I have the screws ready in the cup.
Put the cover on. Be careful with the wooden corners.
Everything fits perfectly. It is a solid machine.
Now, we connect it to the speakers over there.
I'm nervous. What if it still doesn't work?
Don't worry, we checked everything. Logic is on our side.
Red to red, white to white.
Perfect. Now turn the power switch on.
I see a small red light. It is alive.
Now, the moment of truth. Put the record on the platter.
It is spinning perfectly now.
Lower the arm very slowly. Use the lever.
Here it goes. The needle is touching the vinyl.
Listen, can you hear it?
Yes, I hear the soft crackle. It is starting.
The trumpet is so clear.
Oh my God, this is exactly how it sounded in his house.
The volume is low. I will turn it up a bit.
It is beautiful. I feel like I am 10 years old again.
This player has a very good amplifier inside.
I want to cry. This is the best gift for my soul.
Music is a time machine. It carries memories.
Thank you so much, Alex. You are a genius.
It was the machine, Claire. It wanted to play again.
My grandmother will be so happy when I bring it home.
Does she like jazz too, or does she prefer opera?
She likes everything. She loves to dance in the kitchen.
That is a wonderful image. Everyone should dance.
Is the sound quality good? Is it perfect?
It is very good. The new needle makes a big difference.
I can hear the bass now. It is very deep.
That is the analog sound. It's not like a phone.
My phone sounds very flat now. This is much better.
Digital is convenient, but vinyl is an experience.
I want to buy more records now. Where should I go?
I have a small collection for sale in the back room.
Can I see it? I want to find some classical music.
Of course, follow me. I have some Mozart and Bach.
I like the covers. They are like small paintings.
Yes, the artwork is a big part of the hobby.
Look at this one. It has a picture of a forest.
That is the Four Seasons by Vivaldi. It's very famous.
I will take this one too. I love nature sounds.
A great choice. It's a very clean record.
I think I have a new hobby.
I must give you some advice for the player.
Yes, please. I want to keep it in good condition.
Never leave a record on the player overnight.
Does it warp the plastic or is it bad for the needle?
It attracts dust. Always put the vinyl back in the sleeve.
Okay, always use the protective sleeve. Got it.
And keep the player away from the radiator. Heat is bad.
My living room is quite cool, so that is fine.
Change the needle once a year if you play it every day.
I will come back to see you for that.
I will be here. I don't plan to change my job.
Do you have a favorite record, Alex?
I love The Dark Side of the Moon by Pink Floyd.
I know that one. The cover has a prism and a rainbow.
Exactly. It sounds incredible on a vintage system.
Maybe I can find it for my collection later.
I will look for a copy for you. I go to markets every Sunday.
That is very kind. You are not just a repairman.
I am a music lover first. The repairs are a necessity.
How much do I owe you for the repair and the records?
The belt and needle are $40. The record is $10.
$50? That is very cheap for all this work.
I am happy to see this machine working again.
Here is $60. Please keep the change for a coffee.
Thank you, Claire. That is very generous of you.
You gave me my memories back. That is priceless.
I'm glad I could help. It was a pleasure.
I will tell all my friends about your shop.
Thank you. Most people just use Spotify now.
They are missing the magic. I know that.
The sun is setting. The shop is getting dark.
It looks even more beautiful with the evening lights.
I will help you carry the player to your car.
It is a bit heavy. Thank you for the help.
It is solid wood. They don't make them like this.
I am so excited to show this to my family.
They will be surprised. It looks and sounds new.
I have your card in my purse. I will call you soon.
Please do.
Tell me how the Vivaldi record sounds.
I will. I think I will play it tonight with some tea.
That sounds like a perfect evening, Claire.
Thank you again for your patience and your skill.
You are welcome. It was a very nice afternoon.
Here is the back seat. I have a blanket.
Good idea. We don't want the wood to get scratched.
Everything is safe now. I'm ready to drive.
Drive slowly. Vintage machines don't like bumps.
I will be very careful, like I'm carrying a baby.
In some ways, you are.
I'm so happy.
She is a special customer.
I can still hear the trumpet in my head.
It is quiet in the shop now.
My grandfather would be proud.
Time to close the door.
A new song is starting.
Life is good.
Goodbye.